I would never have wanted to make a video like this, but I decided to make it to put an end to the rumors we hear concerning carbon that only pollute public opinion and increase the fear out there regarding the use of this material. The fact that it can't be welded, the fact that it can't be folded, the fact that it's costly, the fact that it has plastic inside. All perhaps true, but in reality, none of this has anything to do with the real uses of the material, and it's just so much nonsense. If you consider that when you need to reduce the weight of something, carbon is the only solution. Obviously, I'm not talking about reductions of 2 or 3%, but about reductions of 50, 60, and 70% compared to metals. And since it is the truth, and not some rumor, as the truth, it can be demonstrated. It can be demonstrated like this. Let's take two very simple cases, one for traction and one for flexion. If I tell you that the mass of this rod put into traction depends on the ratio between the densities and the elastic modules is equal to about 4, what does it mean? It means to have the same rigidity as a rod made of carbon, a rod made of steel must weigh 4 times as much. And if I compare aluminum and carbon, it's the same. The metal rod will weigh 4 times as much. Now let's take another case. Very simple. Flexion, a wedge beam. And the only difference here is that there's a square root. Steel carbon. The calculations still show that a steel beam will weigh 4 times more than a carbon one, having the same characteristics, while a beam made of aluminum will weigh more than twice as much. And take note, everybody, I'm not talking here about mechanical resistance, because if so, the factors would rise 20 times more. So long.